Guys, you ready? You ready? Let's go. Woo! Welcome to our spot. It is beautiful. Look at this. Oh my, I love it. So yes, so we're setting up, we're getting our stuff, set up kitchen, and then we're doing the magic, right? And then maybe I can jump in.
Went ahead and I roast some onions to get that roast flavor out. Some bell peppers, got that roasted. Yes, I. Yes, I. Yes, I. Yeah, and then we got, so you don't know. And then we have our lentils over here to drop in. Then we're gonna go for our rosemary, our parsley, and our mints to get that extra flavor in. So we're gonna keep this stew simple and airy. So we're just gonna go ahead. Start chop up.
So we're having the burnt vegetables, giving this nice burnt flavor to actually do the lentil stew. So this is really, it looks just awesome.
Goodness. Yeah.
Whew.
Smoke is hitting the camera personnel, but it is what it is. We're out in nature.
Is this smoke following me? Oh my God, what's going on? The smoke right into my eyes.
It's a bubble, not trouble. Let me tell her now. This you, it's a bubble. Alright then. It's a bubble. Alright then. This you, it's a bubble. Alright then. Alright then. Walk the long thing. Shoot up your feet. Bang bing.
No, I'll stick to my mermaid.
Bang bing.
Oh, see?
Clearly youth. Yes. The Portland. Sailor. At off for the press.
Woo! Alright, my lovely people, and this is another amazing dish today with the lentil stew. I'm very excited because the lentil stew, we're going to eat it with the roast corn, and we have roast sweet potato and roast yam. So yes, a different style. So I cannot wait to dig into this and try this lovely lentil stew. Are you excited? I am. Let's go.
Biggs love him work, you know.
Yeah.
Biggs love him work.
Let's dig into this lovely lentil stew, right? It looks like curry, but there is no curry in this. So it's actually the color it got from the turmeric. Yes. Yeah. Up. This is very nice. And let's see what's going on here. So here, I think that's a sweet potato. I love sweet potato, roast sweet potato. Yeah, man. And then we have some yam. Yeah, with the lentil all together. No, food and eating healthy is fun. I'm telling you. Yes, this is so good, and it was so simple to do. Like lentil stew, and we have, oh, I didn't even get this to yet. And we have the roast corn. Simple and very delicious. Have some. It's so good. It's so good.
Boss it, hey, boss it. Tell me who no boss it.
Yes, and after some good yummy lunch, we'll wash off our heart with a nice jelly. I love it. I love it. Look at this beautiful place. Out in nature, good food, good drinks, good vibes. Yes, just vibes. I love it. Woo. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video of this nice little cooking, so you have another recipe to try at home. And yes, I catch you on the next adventure. And remember to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and also check out Vita's channel. He has a YouTube channel. I leave the description in the link below. And also he has a cooking show where you can participate, and it's on Airbnb Experience, right? So I will leave the link there. Go there, book your session.
Yep.
And you're next.
Yep. Right by the riverside.
Learning some nice Ital recipes.
Right.
Cheers.
Have a good one.
On the last cooking show by the river, Chef Vita showed us another delicious and easy to follow recipe. Again, we were at this beautiful location in St.Ann, Jamaica. We set up at the White River, an amazing location for cooking and swimming, the perfect hangout spot. In this video, Chef Vita showed us a nice and versatile one-pot rice dish. He used fresh vegetables such as broccoli, mushrooms, Brussels sprouts, and more. Since then, I have cooked this nutritious dish a couple of times. I loved it because it tastes delicious when served hot and cold, which make it an ideal meal to bring to work or along your outdoor adventures such as hiking or traveling. Try out this recipe for yourself and let me know how you liked it in the comments. The link to this video will be displayed at the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed this cooking vlog, and if you're new to this channel, hit the notification bell so you won't miss any uploads. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on my next adventure.